featuring 3 of my top trends, starting with pastels. Love this shade for summer. It's so feminine and it's something that can be incorporated in so many ways. Whether you're going for a super easy wardrobe staple of a cami top, which you could pair with jeans, you could wear with a skirt, you could wear underneath a blazer, would go with anything. Maybe you don't want to wear pastels too close to the face, then you could incorporate them in a really nice simple trouser. Love these, the cut is so elegant, the waistband is lovely. These ones are from Pinko. If you want to incorporate a trend, but perhaps it's not something you want to make really obvious, then another way you could do it is with shoes. These ones are just adorable. Love the style, and again, it's just taking in some of the season's key trends with a super chunky heel, which means they're going to be really comfortable. My second trend is shorts. They've hit the runway big time, whether it's short shorts, Bermuda shorts, tweed shorts, incorporating everything from pastels to denim. These really cute ones come from Eero, and they've got the paper bag style, which is really flattering on the waistline and a nice little bit of bow detail. These you could wear with tights and a pair of boots if you're transitioning them from spring or into next season. And to make it more modern, you could add a long line blazer, which would work really well with this. And these really cute ones from Elizabeth Frankie are so flattering. They're high-waisted, so they come in at the most flattering, smallest part of our body. The piping down the front here will elongate your legs, and they just have really nice detail here on the back. The third trend for summer, which may sound a little bit odd for the Middle East and for summer, is cardigans. They have returned in a big way, and I've featured a few here because there's so many. So the first one here is from Sandro. It's incorporating the pastel trend as well. It's a little bit oversized. I like that you could wear this with shorts, you could wear this over a dress, you could even belt it if you wanted to still give it some shape as well. And again, nice little bit of gold detail on the buttons. If you wanted to go super classic, we've got something from Claudie Pierlot, which I love. This you could wear again over a dress, you could wear with another trend of the season, which is leather, and this would look really nice with that as well. Nice little cami top underneath here, and this will carry you through season and season. Add a pop of fuchsia pink. It's massive for this season. Maybe it's not your color, maybe it's too bright, but add a pop in a bag. The perfect way to incorporate a trend without it being too obvious. Finally, you can never go wrong with a white sneaker, but just a little bit of reinvention like these gorgeous ones from Valentino. New in for this season, and again, we'll go with everything. The summer season must have. So which look is your favourite for the season? Tell us below.